Hi, Chris here for Tech and welcome to the channel where today we are going to have a look into my 5 tops applications for Windows 10. So let's get started now. Ranking in number 5 is Window Enhancer for YouTube. This app basically lets you configure YouTube as you want, and it even can cut off the commercial if you don't want to have any. If you want to know more, there will be a link down below for this video because I already did a subject on it. So, ranking now on number 4, it's none other than the Clipboard, the free version who comes with Windows and has been updated to a new version. Now you can store up to 25 instances of copy. That later on you can paste if you want to. As I mentioned previously, if you want to know more about this video, just look in the link down below. You will as well find other details for more information about this video. Coming now in number 3, it's the calculator. You will say it's too simple, but don't get fooled. There is much more than meet the eyes with this app. You will be surprised to see that now there is a lot more utilities included. There is an extended range of conversion for you if you want to. Microsoft even fixed bugs that was previously affecting this program. As you can see in the drop-down list, there is a lot for you to go through. I also have a link of the video down below for you if you want to. So next on the list, it's called Trumpet. And what I like about this application is the extra features, especially if you are doing streaming. It allows you very easily to select or mute different input for your stream. At the other, you will find down below the link for this video and how to download it, as well as the extra features. Last but not least, and actually it's my favorite, as well as my most watched video so far. And by all means, it is. Within a month, it's already a 1K view. Alright, so basically, although you won't use this very often, you will be glad to have it when you need it. What I show in this video, once again, and for last time, you will find all that you need in the description down below. This app is to recover lost data. And what I show on my video is that I purposely format a USB drive to recover the file even with a free version. That tells you how confident I was to do a video for this app. Although I made other videos about applications or whatnot, those are the ones that I use the most, or that I find that they are very good value, especially when you know that all of them, for the time being, are free. Anyway, thanks for watching, and now you can do your YouTube thing, especially if you like these snippets of the video I made previously about applications. Note that, as I did mention before, there will be more to come, and there have been more done in my channel, so feel free to browse through if you want to, and you can ask me questions if you want about something you would like to discover, or let's say you have questions about something you saw in today's video. Now you can like if you want to, subscribe, you may as well, press the bell icon if you want to be notified every time I post a new video. However, if you do not like this video, I will appreciate that you leave a comment down below and tell me why you do not like my video. So, thank you very much, stay safe guys, and bye now!